speed. This is the pyranometer, which measures the solar radiation. Okay. And then here we don't have it. We don't have the globe. So this black thing.
Yeah.
I'll show you this black sensor. It's a sensor actually. It goes inside a globe, this black globe.
Yeah.
So you have to kind of thread it in here. And then yeah, you have to put the globe on top. Yeah, this I have to show you once you have the globe. So basically the globe then stays and the sensor is here. Okay?
Yeah.
And then there is another one. Here. And this white one is the surface temperature. So that black one is the black globe.
Yeah.
And this white one is the surface temperature.
Okay.
And with the surface temperature, it's kind of important that it should not really touch the surface. So it should just stay like, you can put a stone or something. It will just stay like, I don't know, 2-3 centimeters just above the surface. So
It does hold.
yeah, so the thing is you just have to do, because if you directly touch the surface, then the sensor just gives you very weird values,
Yeah.
like extreme high or like minus or something. So this is, oh, sorry,
Worried.
I'll make this here.
Oh.
So what I normally do is like put a stone or something here
Yeah.
and this part, and then it kind of like
Yes.
is like this.
Yeah.
So like this is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, just make sure it doesn't really like do like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So surface temperature, globe, this, that. Okay. It depends on what you want to do, but I would put this at 2 meters height. The air temperature and the wind and the radiation one. So this is very simple. It's a tripod, so you can just loosen it and just pull it down. Yeah. I think 2 meters is a bit. I'm about 180, so a bit more. But yeah,
Yeah.
somewhere here,
Yeah.
so you can just loosen it and then tighten it again. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. And globe officially is about 1.3 meters, so that is my 1.3 for sure. And here you can also extend it a bit more. So just make sure that's the height. Okay? And if you have this, this level, Wasserberger.
Yeah.
So if you have
Make sure
to
it's,
make the, yeah, so that's the main thing. So you can put it here and also put it here so that you see everything is level.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So once you have that, so you can adjust it a bit here, that, so just it doesn't have to be completely level, but at least it's not, shouldn't be like completely slanted or something.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
this then affects the angle of this. That's the main thing. Because then the sun angle, you want it to be completely horizontal.
Yes.
Right? Okay. So once you have that, so essentially when you just open this up,
Fatima, you have the cable in the back.
laptop.
What do I have here?
So you see here, connection is here. Okay. So this is the whole logger which has all the, which records all the measurements. So you mainly have to just plug it in here. So this is the wrong one.
You want me to? You can see.
Ah, that's correct. Okay. Yeah. So it's this one here.
My laptop is still running.
Has to be connected to the.
With this. So once
And the logger, how does it say?
the logger has a device. Yeah, I think an SD card or maybe a hard drive inside.
Okay.
So you disconnect
This one.
Okay. So you need to download this software, HoBoware. because HoBo is the.
Yes.
And then.
I will get the film later from Shazam.
Sure, that way, yes. Remembering things.
Okay. So when it connects, first of all, when it's not connected here, so kein Gerät ausgewählt. But when it connects, if everything is fine, it should show. Okay. HoBo
Perfect.
UT30
Okay.
station,
Yes.
this. Okay. And then you go up here. No, here. Yeah, get it started. Okay.
Yeah.
So you go here. So you go here. Okay. So here now. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's too loose.
Oh.
Wow, it's very loose. Shouldn't be this loose. Okay.
Look, wird gestartet.
Yeah, but
Just
just hung. Yeah. Okay. So here, so now how I used to do, I had one under the sun and one under the shade. So I used to write, for example, this is sun. But you can do it according whatever name you want to do. So I would say, yeah, sun logo. And here you see all the temperature, relative humidity, wind, bone, Sonnenstrahlung, and these are the black globe and surface temperature.
Oh, be
So-
careful. I think you're stepping on the.
Oh. Okay. So when actually you download the data, it would be written like this. Yeah, temperature, RH, this, and then black globe and surface temperature. Okay.
Yes.
Now, I used to do the recording interval every 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You could do 30 minutes, you can do 15 minutes, whatever you want. Remember, the more like temporal resolution, the more battery it will use. So for my experience, if you do 10 minutes for a whole day, the battery goes from like 100% to about 40%. So like if you start from, let's say, 8 o'clock in the morning till about 6 o'clock in the evening, so it goes about 40. It goes about 60%. It uses about 60%. So, but if you do 30 minutes, it depends on what you want really. If you do 30 minutes, then for sure it will stay longer.
Yeah.
If it can stay the whole day, I would say. Like if you start from 8 in the morning till like 8 in the evening or so, or even more. Okay? So that depending on you completely.
Yeah.
So let's say I do 10. And then this is the sampling interval. So sampling interval also is the same. So because it will just take like every minute and then it will then do an average value for every 10 minutes. So same, you can do it like this, 1 minute. I also normally always do. Then the date, time, you can just start from. So here in the logger, you can say that, okay, you can start from exactly this time or you can start right away. I always do right away because here it shows like, okay, it will start from 6:12. So the opposite is 12. So it will only start from 12 in 10 minutes time. I always do from now. From your first recording would be this. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And I think this is kind of important because sometimes what happens is when you do this, sometimes it's a very weird, and if you don't see it, it sometimes gives you some weird dates. So like
That's
06/12/2027 maybe. So it will just
Want to
so yeah.
measure it.
So it also shows, right? 1.5 years from now, whatever. But so just remember main thing here, just do it. Yes. And then you can later on when you're doing the data analysis
clean
delete
it.
or
Yeah.
something, right? And then you just start it. Okay, I will just start it for now just to show. Yeah, trotzdem starten. It's always this.
And does it also take some power from the
Yes,
okay,
this is
laptop?
another good point. So now it's done. It started. Don't do anything, just unplug. Unplug it, close it. Now it's measuring.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, whatever time it sucks.
Ah, okay.
So, ideally, you should only plug it maximum 2 times. 2 times at least, in the sense you start and then when you stop and record, download the data. But of course, if you want to check in the middle if everything is running fine or so, you can. Just to give you a tip, maybe 3 times is fine. Just to because otherwise it takes a lot of power from the data. Okay.
Battery?
And can you also check the battery level somehow?
It's here. It was written on the top.
Okay.
I can show you then when it disconnect. The battery is inside.
Okay. And when you want to charge it,
So with the same one, and you have the charge. Did you show the charger, or do we have the charger also?
We should have charger, but I will figure out what is it in archive or.
So the charger. Oh yeah, I will show you. No, it's not with this one. The charger is. So do you want to do it? So you want to do it for like, I know, like 9 to 9 or something,
Yeah,
9
something.
to 6.
Yeah.
But you want to do it the whole day or what? Is it like 24 hours?
no,
Also 9
no.
So not
I will
night
not.
time.
I will not leave it alone, and I will not sleep on the street. So also something like this during the day.
Then I can, for sure, if you do this 10-minute interval, then I think you need to charge this every second day. So 2 days it will go for sure.
Yeah.
Then the third day, if you are doing it, then I would charge it, and it charges very quickly. From I think 0 to 100%, it will take you maybe 2 hours or so.
2 hours, okay.
3 hours maximum.
It's
So
fine.
it's not going to be too. Okay, but for the charger, I don't think we have the charger. So it's a normal charger, like. So for the cable, it's here. For the charger, it's this one.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's like you just plug it in the charger and put it into a socket, and that's it. And it will keep charging. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
What else? Don't mess with any of these things because these are all the wirings for the sensor. Another thing is sometimes when if it's green is okay, sometimes it would have a red, similarly like green, it will have sometimes this red flashing light. That means that the battery is at a critical point.
Okay.
So you should, if you get that, then just stop,
Stop.
completely stop and charge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like don't even spend a minute or so, because then it's sometimes showing that the battery is really dead. I mean, it's very rare unless but sometimes it just like might show this. I think it shows either here or in the alarm one. I don't remember now, but it will be like similar how it is doing green now.
Yeah.
It will be
Like
red.
that.
Yeah. Okay. For that then, we should ideally wait. Any questions with the starting part? No? Simple, right? So let's say if you also want to do like a sun and shade measurement, the main thing about the placement is this. This should always be, let's say this is the sun sensor. This part should always be in the sun. Like, you have to place it in a way that, and also you can move it around. Maybe at 9 o'clock the sun is here, but at like 12 it's more towards that side, so you can move it a bit so that this really is in the sun all the time. Otherwise, later on, because if you really want to show a diurnal, for example, pattern, saying that, okay, this was completely in the sun all the time, completely, and the other one was completely in the shade,
Okay.
then you have to adjust it a bit. Otherwise,
Okay.
there will be building shadows, there will be tree shadow, whatever.
Yeah. Okay.
So
For me, it's exactly what I want to show.
yeah,
That the change.
the change.
So I don't want to have it all the time in the sun.
Okay,
or in
then
the time
for
in the
you
shade.
it's-
So for me, I have to choose one.
So you have to
position and
then
then I don't
choose
care.
one spot.
Yeah.
Then, but for you, I guess you need to show the difference. So you have to move it around a bit. Yeah.
Yep.
And similarly for the shade one, just make sure it's always in the shade. Also with the black globe, at least if
Makes
you put
sense.
it next to the vegetation also, don't put it like right next to it. Put like maybe 30 centimeter away, because at the end it needs to get all these kind of
Variations.
yeah, all the irradiation and everything. So yeah. Other than that, I think it's yeah. I don't think there's anything else.
Okay.
Any
Yeah.
other? So it is okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, the only thing is, once we have the globe, I'll show you how to put the globe inside. It's very simple. You just, so the globe has a little opening on the bottom, and you just put the wire through it, and then you tighten it. That's starting. Just remember the wires down here, the height, and the position, basically, right? So not too many things to remember. Also, no. So, sometimes also what happens is during transport or so, this part becomes a bit, but now I think it's quite fixed. Yeah, okay, we put a new thing. Okay. I think this would be more fixed, because earlier what used to happen, sometimes this was not as fixed, so it would like move around a bit. So we used to have cable ties, but now he has something more permanent here, so I think it should be fine. Okay, then if we want to now, let's say, download the data. So again, I connect it to that part here. Okay. Same thing again, same process. It's a good sound. And then now, instead of get it starting, so let's say if you want to, so here in the get it states, if you see, so here you can see the battery stand as well.
100%.
Okay.
So like, how did you find the battery system from which option?
Here, get it status again.
Okay, get status. Okay, thanks.
Okay. So here is the name of the station. So here, and also it shows, damn, you have to change also. We show, it shows the
Fahrenheit,
current measurement.
Units.
So current measurements, and also the, also, why is it in MPH and all of these things? Okay, and you see, for black globe and surface temperature, it's in volts. Okay, so I will give you the formula on how to convert this voltage to temperature,
Okay.
because we didn't have direct, so there is a certain formula in
Yeah.
an Excel sheet from where you just directly change this voltage reading to temperature reading. Okay, but just to make sure everything is working, and even if the sensor is working, these values normally are in the range of 1.3 to about 1.5 maximum. If it goes above 1.5, then there is something wrong. Or you can, or at least it's or something wrong with the sensor or something like that, or above 1.55 or something. I have to check. because then that means if you do the conversion, the surface temperature is 200 degrees or something, which is impossible, right? So unless there's something else you're measuring and not the surface. So okay, so that's how you can check everything is fine or not. And then if you have to now stop the, so here is the Gerät anhalten.
Sorry, and if you want to check the data in between.
Yeah, so so if you want to check the data in between, so if you want to see if, like, let's say you do it in the last 2 hours, you measured just to see, okay, the last was everything, you still have to do the same process in the sense you have to do first stop. Yeah. Okay. Once you stop, you go here to auslesen.
Okay.
And here it will give you the format. It's always in this DTF format. I think you can change it to Excel if I remember, or no, it's not in DTF. But this DTF is like a note, not note. What is it called?
Dotted.
Like you can read it as a note file,
Text editor.
like a text format. Correct. So you save it. I think here you can now change. You take a second. And the rest is all good. Yeah. I didn't see where it's saved.
That's good.
But we can check it. Yeah. So now it's saved there, but you can also see the plot. So it only took one reading for now because it was 10-minute reading, right? So here you can see, it took 2 readings actually. So 11:51, 12:01, temperature this much, relative humidity. Wow, really? That's pretty high. And we have, of course, we still have a bit of Sonnenstrahlung. How do we have that?
Because
Of the light? Wow, interesting. Very interesting. So yeah.
Okay.
And then, I don't know where I saved it, but then that's a text, almost like a text file. So you can read it in Python on R directly. So, but it would be nice to see how it looks actually. Just
and do you know the name of this file? And then we can-
Sun. You can check.
Oops. Just go there. This search. Yeah.
No, I think it.
No, like if you search the name here, then it will show you the.
So yeah, I think you cannot open it like this. Let's see. Yeah. It's a bit weird, but yeah.
No.
No, wait. After, wait, 1 second. I think you can also directly convert it into CSV. I think.
And from the system, can we also change the language of the software? How is it in German?
No, you're in Germany. You should use German. Here. Export in. Okay. Then, wait. Data open, project open, data open, sun. So here you can change the name of the file. Plot. And then there should be an export here. Yeah, you see?
Okay, perfect.
Double data export in,
Exportieren, yeah. Okay, perfect.
and then export in. Again, I'm saving it as a CSV. And then there it is.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Easy.
And then from here export it. Okay. Okay. And then at the end, just stop it again. Just to make sure it's fully stopped, otherwise it just keeps on running. Yeah. And then you just remove it.
Yeah.
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 Do you want to do one test run? Just so that you know everything?